Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 Volkswagen Golf Trendline, stock reference number 4295. This shape runs from the third month 2013 through to current shape. It is a CZDA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CZDA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has suffered a rollover. We have the right hand headlight. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.